Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. I am in my signature section at the Bhandarkar Road store, the new store that we've recently launched in Pune. Today is our signature sarees series and I'm going to show you three very exclusive green colored sarees today. Green is a very auspicious color, especially in Indian weddings. In Maharashtrian weddings, green is used a lot and we see that green never goes out of style. So whether you are the bride or whether you have a wedding in the family, green sarees are always a must have in your wardrobe. So let's begin. I'm going to show you three very different sarees. Two of them are paithanis. I'm starting with a Banarasi. Now this saree is a beautiful, very exclusive Banarasi design. It has meenakari on it. It has a beautiful silver zari. The green color, if you see, it is a deep peacock green. It's not the usual emerald green that we see. I'm just going to show you closely the beautiful weaving on this saree. Just look at the border closely. So this color, use of color that you see at the border, this is what is called meenakari. So meenakari is basically when colored silk thread is used along with zari to highlight the zari border. That is what is meenakari. Meenakari can be seen in buttas, meenakari can be seen in borders, and meenakari can also be seen in the entire brocade design of a sari. So this is our designer Banarsi weave. This is made in pure Katan silk. Pure Katan silk is very light in weight, very easy to drape. So imagine this saree for maybe a wedding or a wedding reception. If you decide to wear a nice diamond jewelry set along with this, or if you decide to wear a ruby diamond Mangal Sutra and a set, it will look absolutely pretty. Just look at the gorgeous pallu. Yeah, this is how the pallu looks. This is the saree. The price of this particular saree is 38,850. It's a very elegant Banarsi saree. प्रथामध्ये साड्या तुम्हाला 2,000-2,500 पासून मिळतील. भरपूर व्हरायटी आहे आपल्याकडे. 15,000 ते 22-25,000 या रेंजमध्ये उत्तम लग्नी साड्या तुम्हाला बघायला मिळतील. However, this signature section that we have here, we have sarees priced above 35,000 in this section. We have very beautiful pure handloom, pure zari, real zari sarees which are priced above 60,000-70,000 as well. I urge each and every wedding family to definitely plan a visit at Pratha. So yes, this is our first green saree of today's video. I'm going to move to the next one. If you like it, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp team. They'll help you with more photos, videos, whatever you require. Let's move to the next one. Now the next one is a pure handloom paithani. This paithani is also, I just want to clarify one thing. I'm speaking in Marathi for most of my videos, and we got this comment that Kavita, you should talk in Marathi less and you should talk in Hindi or English more, because there's a lot of audience who does not understand Marathi. मराठी लोकांसाठी मराठी व्हिडिओज मी बनवतेच, पण असे काही व्हिडिओज आम्ही बनवतो ज्यामध्ये मी इंग्लिश जास्ती बोलते, कारण तेवढं जास्ती लोकांपर्यंत आम्हाला पोचता येतं. फक्त महाराष्ट्रातले लोक प्रथाची व्हिडिओज बघत नाहीत. अनेक साऊथ इंडियन्स, नॉर्थ इंडियन्स, इंडियन स्टेईंग अब्रॉड खूप लोक बघतात ज्यांना इंग्लिश किंवा हिंदी प्रिफर्ड आहे. म्हणून हा व्हिडिओ पैठणीचा असला तरी सुद्धा इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलणार आहे. स्विचिंग टू इंग्लिश. सो येस, दिस इज अ प्युअर सिल्क, pure handloom paithani. When I say pure handloom, it means that there is no motor machine involved in the making of this saree. It is entirely made with hands, made on a handloom which has no motor or electric help. It is a triple munia paithani, but if you see, the triple munia on this saree is very interesting. It is a very delicate triple munia. Usually आम्ही जे ट्रिपल मुनिया सारीज सेल करतो त्याची ट्रिपल मुनिया बॉर्डर ही एवढी तरी असते. इट इज ॲटलिस्ट 8 to 10 inches, बट दिस बॉर्डर इज, इफ यू सी माय, हे जे विथ आहे माझं, दिस इज 8 inches. सो दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट लाईक 4.5 inches, विच इज व्हेरी डेलिकेट. डेलिकेट ट्रिपल मुनिया खूप कमी बघायला मिळते. इट्स व्हेरी युनिक अँड इट्स व्हेरी रेअर टू सी दिस काइंड ऑफ अ स्मॉल डेलिकेट ट्रिपल मुनिया बॉर्डर. सो येस, दिस इज द सारी. जस्ट लुक ॲट दिस गॉर्जियस पल्लू डिझाईन. मटका पल्लू आहे, व्हेरी ओल्ड क्लासिक पैठणी पल्लू टाईप. अँड इफ यू सी द बॅक साइड ऑफ द पल्लू, you will not see any threads. So this is what I mean by pure handloom. There are no threads running. That means that this saree is woven completely by hand without the use of any motor. So yes, this is our triple munia paithani with fabulous zari checks all over its body. It looks very royal, elegant. So this is it. The price should be around 45,000. If you want, please send us a screenshot. My team will confirm the exact price with you all. If you like it, please take a screenshot. I'm going to move to the next very exclusive Paithani. Let's move to the next one. Now this Paithani is something you will absolutely fall in love with. अतिशय सुंदर पैठणी आहे. It is a gorgeous piece. Very rarely do we get to see these kind of all over पैठणीज on silk. Usually पैठण्या all over पैठण्या ज्या बघतो त्याची the body of the all over पैठणीज that we get to see is usually either in tissue or it is made on gold or it is made on colored tissue bodies, but this is made on silk. It has purely resham used on it. You will not see the use of zari on the entire body of this saree, and that makes it look very subtle, sober, decent, however very grand. So let me tell you all, this work that you see on the pallu, usually this work when made by pure hand, this particular sarees are these kind of pallu design sarees are priced at 45,000, 43,000, 40,000 when it is pure handloom, when the body has only butta. Imagine this kind of work on the entire saree. So that is what actually justifies the price of these sarees. I'm just going to check the price and give you a slight idea. I'm not going to tell the exact price, however. This saree is priced above 2 lakhs. So that is the price range, but it is an excellent saree. If you see the back side, तुम्ही back side बघा, एकही thread तुम्हाला दिसणार नाही. इतकी फाईन अप्रतिम पद्धतीने विणलेली साडी आहे. जवळजवळ weaving आहे. Also one more very important highlight or important point about this saree is there are no peacocks. So if you've seen it closely, you will not see any peacocks in this Paithani, which is actually it is the commonest element or motif that you see in Paithani saree. So there are no peacocks, no animals in the entire design of this saree. It is basically a floral design, and also when I show you the pallu, there is no peacock or parrot on the pallu also. So if you are someone, आमच्याकडे प्रथामध्ये अशा बऱ्याच brides येतात. We get to meet a lot of brides or wedding families who tell us that they don't want peacocks or parrots or animal motifs on their saree. So this is absolutely for these kind of people, or for somebody who is looking for a very unique Paithani. For somebody who has, so we also get to meet clients who say की माझ्याकडे 15 पैठण्या आहेत माझ्या वॉर्डरोबमध्ये, माझ्याकडे 21 पैठण्या आहेत. So we meet clients who already have एक से एक पैठणीज in their collection. So this पैठणी is for either for such clients or for those clients who want something very grand for their wedding function or for their special occasion, and it is absolutely stunning. So I hope you all like this collection. आणि खूप सुंदर अशाच साड्या आमच्याकडे आहेत प्रथामध्ये. You will my effort in the selection process is very high. It is very tiring for me personally. However, that effort is what makes our collection different than the usual stores or shops that you visit. So I urge each and every one of you to please come and visit the Pratha store. Also, if you like any of these sarees, our WhatsApp team is right here. You can plan a video call session. तुम्हाला यातली कुठलीही साडी आवडली असेल तर व्हिडिओ कॉलवर आम्ही दाखवू. आम्ही तुम्हाला ती डिलिव्हर करू शकतो कुठेही जगामध्ये. So feel free to place your orders and feel free to come and visit the Pratha store. Thank you. Keep watching.